What if the world you wake up in 5 years from now is no longer the world you recognize today? What if the silent technologies surrounding you right now are already learning, adapting, and preparing for something far bigger than we can imagine? This is the story of that future, a future shaped not by chance but by artificial intelligence, a world where the line between human and machine begins to blur, where predictions replace decisions, and where every moment, every heartbeat, every choice is quietly influenced by an invisible digital force. In 2030, your home will no longer be a place you simply live in. It will be a living system that senses your mood, adjusts your environment, prepares your day, and anticipates your needs before you speak. Your digital assistant will study your expressions and behavior, understanding your emotions with eerie precision as it becomes an unseen guide shaping your day. Workplaces will transform to humans and robots sharing desks, holographic dashboards floating in the air, and repetitive tasks completing themselves in seconds. Yet new roles will rise: AI workflow architects, digital twin designers, and prompt engineers, proving that AI isn't replacing humans, it's evolving what it means to work. Education will break free from physical classrooms as students learn inside AI-generated worlds, exploring Mars, oceans, and entire timelines through holograms and VR, guided by personalized learning systems that adapt to each student's mind. Healthcare will push beyond the limits of biology as AI diagnoses illness before symptoms appear. Nanorobots travel through the bloodstream, robotic surgeons operate with flawless precision, and wearables monitor every heartbeat to protect us long before danger arrives. Creativity itself will evolve, with AI composing music, creating films, generating worlds, and transforming human imagination into limitless possibility. A simple idea spoken aloud will become a full cinematic universe. But the most mysterious part of the future lies in human evolution itself. As brain-AI interfaces allow thoughts to control technology, digital clones mirror our personalities, and AI-powered prosthetics move like natural limbs, slowly dissolving the boundary between human and machine. Yet, in this powerful new age, a shadow grows. Deepfakes that distort reality, AI systems that influence decisions, and technologies so advanced they could reshape societies if misused. The mystery of AI is not in what it can do, but in what it might do if we fail to guide it. And so, the question is not, what will AI become by 2030? The real question is, what will we become? Because the future isn't written by machines, it is written by the humans who decide how to use them. And this is just the beginning.